guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. Guys, this is none other than the number 54, as you can see there. But well, before we get into this, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post anything new or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, of course, make sure to leave a like down below if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosa's Bartender. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. Oh guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course guys, in the Victorian style. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is the number 54. If you would like to see the previous 53, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of the video. And guys, here we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And this is from editorial Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Dollhouse Collection, which I unboxed. If you're interested in seeing that, guys, make sure to check out the playlist located in the end cards. Well guys, let's check this out. And here it talks about the classic schoolroom. There you can see boys and girls in their classroom. Or I should say boy and girl dolls in their classroom. Here you have the big picture with them there. You have a little girl up in the front. You have a chalkboard and the desk, all very cool. And here it shows you piece for piece all of the different parts. And here it just talks more about the classroom. The curtains are really cute, and the desks are really cute too. I really like the desk during that time frame. They're really cute. And here guys, it shows you how to make a thing to put your soap for the dollhouse. It gives you all of the supplies that you'll need. Max just finished his food. Max just finished his dinner. If you guys are interested in seeing his channel, make sure to check out the description down below. And well guys, back to the dollhouse. I'll take him out in just a bit. But well, here it shows you step by step how to put this little soap dispenser together. And guys, I will walk you through how to do each of these projects. So if you guys haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. Here it talks about the 1950s, which is a bit weird because this is a Victorian dollhouse collection. Oh well, I guess it's good to learn about the entire history, right? But I do like these chairs, these are pretty cool. And here it talks about Thomas Edison. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here we just have the dollhouse, or I should say here we just have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we finish the collection. And guys, this is from editorial Salvat, as I said before. And well guys, now it's time to check out our new additions to the dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, now it's time to check out our new porcelain pieces. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so first up we have this little doll plate, which is really cute. It has a little pink flower just here in the side with some leaves, and then it has like this silver plating here around the edge. Which is nice. And then we have a second one of those plates. And guys, these are porcelain, which is very nice. And here you can see that same silverish brim around it. And there you have the third one that it came with. It again has that little pink flower there on the side with the green leaves. And the like silvery goldish brim around it. It's really nice. And how crazy that is actually porcelain. That's really cool. And then guys, we have this little serving plate, which is very beautiful. It has those same matching pink flowers as we saw on the plates. And it has the same gold, or is it silverish? I'm not sure if it's silverish or gold outline around the sides. And then here is the back. I really like it. I really am enjoying this collection, guys. You tell me what you guys think. Okay guys, and here we have the saucer for like gravy or cream or some sauce. And it has that same pink flower and green leaves. And on the inside brim, it has that. Let me see if I can get it better in focus. There we go. See, here it looks more gold, and the other ones it looks more silver. I'm not sure which one it's supposed to be. You guys tell me. Do you see silver or do you see gold? Or are you like me and you see a mixture of both? Tell me it down in the comments below. But well, I'm gonna put this to the side. And guys, then we have this little like pot, like to serve like a side dish. It has little pink and purple flowers, which are really cute. I'm just gonna take off the lid just a second, and I'll show you the other part in just a sec. There's the lid. It has a pink and a purple flower, which is really cool. It again has the silver or goldish, depending on how you tilt it, brimming, as well as here on the top. There's the inside of it. I think it's really cute. And here is the main part where you would put the food in here. It again has those pink and blue, or now that I see, they look a bit purple, don't they? But well, little flowers on the front with green leaves. And what a shame, on the other side they didn't put those flowers on the other side. But oh well, I think it's really pretty. Let me just grab the lid here. So that's how it would look. And it's really cute. Well guys, you tell me, which do you like the most? Do you like the little plates the best? Do you like the saucer? Do you like this big like serving tray the best? Or do you like this like main dish or side dish serving bowl with a lid? Tell me down in the comments below. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Bargenaire. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.